For most of us, the definitive answer to anyone who asks us what we've had for breakfast is eggs. Fitness bloggers, bodybuilders, and nutritionists all offer varying views on how and which part of eggs you should eat. While eggs in themselves are good for you, we've got a few justifications for why you should consider opting for egg whites. What is egg white? Before we go on to list the benefits of egg white, it's important that we discuss what it is. Egg white is the clear liquid that is included within the egg, holding the yolk in place. It makes up for about 2/3 of the egg's liquid weight. Benefits of egg whites. High protein content. Eggs are the poster child for protein-rich foods, but egg whites contain more than half of the entire egg's protein. To be specific, 100 grams of eggs have 12.56 grams of protein, and 100 grams of egg whites have 10.90 grams of protein. Studies show that egg white protein supplementation leads to a high resistance muscle strength, and a high-protein breakfast such as that of egg whites is also related to increased satiety and improved diet quality. Zero cholesterol. With news of the dangers of cholesterol being documented all around us, deciding what to eat can get confusing. Fortunately, egg whites are low in fat and cholesterol. This is because all of the cholesterol and fat content in eggs is present in the yolk. Studies also show that frequent consumption of egg whites is linked to lowered levels of cholesterol. Low calories. If you're managing your weight or looking to cut down on fat to build more muscle, then egg whites are a good option. Egg white in one large egg accounts for about only 17 calories. Collagen and hyaluronic acid content. The benefits of egg whites go further than nutrition. Collagen and hyaluronic acid, sourced from the eggshell membrane in whites, benefit skin and joints significantly. Studies show that they reduce wrinkles and hydrate skin, hence being instrumental in younger-looking skin. Further studies show that they reduce stiffness, pain, and connective tissue disorders, including pain caused by osteoarthritis. High potassium content. Within the nutritional profile of eggs, egg whites are rich in potassium, with 100 grams containing 163 milligrams of the nutrient. The recommended intake of potassium is 4,700 milligrams a day. Potassium is essential for nerve and muscle function. It also regulates heartbeat, blood pressure, and cell functioning. Egg whites can add significantly to a healthy diet.